Hey everybody, I just thought I'd show you. I just got this today. If you're interested in one, let me know and I'll look at getting some more in, because yes, I can get them in. I could probably sell them in my shop. Anyway, this, because I've had a desk clutter, so I've actually sort of sorted it out a little bit today. Still a little bit more to do, but anyway, so I picked this up. This arrived today. Now, if all going well, I'll know where my scissors are, where my washi card is, and where my tweezers are. In here I've got my tape roller and whiteout, and there's also a pencil eraser in there as well. And in here I've just got a collection of different coloured pens, because, you know, I'm always looking for just main pens. I've still got a pencil case, big pencil case with other pens and pencils, and then behind that I've got sort of my markers, but I've also got a pencil case with highlighters in it for uni. The other really cool feature of this is that I can put all the post-it notes here, and there's a little drawer, and I'm going to put all my little all the paper clips that I get here as well. So there should be a paper clip here. Oh, of course it's not here, but yeah, that's where paper clips are going to go, and types of clips and stuff, little bits and pieces. But anyway, I still know that. Anyway, that's how it looks like at the moment. So that's my desk at the moment. What do you reckon? Is that something that you'd be interested in? Yes, so the washi card's going to sit at the side. Got lots of post-it notes, so they'll just sit there. And hopefully when I get to the next video, I won't say I can't find them, because technically they all should be here. And I've got two normal tweezers and one set of these. I can get these as well if you're interested. Just comment below. I've got 3 pairs of scissors. Here I've actually got more than that. And I've got, as I said, I've got that's a glue tape and whiteout. There's another whiteout in there, and a collection of pens. Yeah, so tell me what you think. Let me know. Bye for now.